Hello everybody and welcome back to ISA Robotics. Today we are going to be learning a bit of HTML, just the starter. So first thing you need to do is click File and Open Folder, and then just go around, look for any folder. I'm going to create one on my desktop here. Folder, name it whatever. I'm just going to name mine I0, sure, whatever. I'm going to select that. And then it should pop up here. So right beside where it says that to the right, hover over that little file, the new file icon. Click on that and name it index.html. And then, if you want JavaScript, CSS, I'll tell you that in a minute. But first thing you want to do is type in opening bracket and then do exclamation mark, doc type, and then HTML, and then closing bracket. And then do HTML. Type in HTML with the opening bracket, and then type in body. Oh, I typed that wrong. And then the first thing you're going to want to write, click on the ending bracket of HTML and click enter, and then do title. Type in title with opening bracket, and then you can type in what you want your website to be named. I'm just going to name mine test site. Sure, this is a site where I test all my stuff on. Why not? And then click on body again, go to that opening space, and then click tab, and then you can type in anything you want. Like, type in H1, and now you can type in anything you want. And this is what will show up, big text. So I'm going to type in, this is test message. And then do file, save all. And then I'm going to find that. So IO, there we go. And then index. It'll come up as, this is test message. So now, if I add, let's say, so type in opening bracket after click, go to the end of H1 where it says H1, which is header 1, header, whatever, and then type in P. And then that's the paragraph, that's the small text. So you can type in like hello world or whatever you want. That's just, I don't know. I'm going to type in this is also a test message, and I'm too lazy to write something. Oops, bubble. There. This is also a test message, and I'm too lazy to write something else. Same thing, file, save all, boot up that tab, and then click F5. And then it says in very small text. So, I'm going to and then, so you can go all the way up to 6, so H1, 1, and then we're just going to keep going until we hit the last one. H2, H3, and then go down. I keep messing up here. And then do H4, H4, and then H5. It's just going to keep going. 5, and then H6. I think you might be able to do H6. I'm not sure, though. I'm going to try. Or H7, sorry. So I don't think you can. I think it just goes up to 6, but let's try out. Oh, it can go down to 6. So yeah. Wait, no, it can't. Yeah. Wait, no. Yeah. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's the difference here. So you can do anything you want. I'm just going to put H1, welcome to my website. And then I'm going to do P, this is where it begins or something, I don't know. Okay, so I have that. And now, so it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this. So what if you don't want it to look like that? What if you want like a background color? I'll teach you some CSS as well. So off of body, at the end of body, click enter and then type in style, opening bracket style, and then click enter. And then type in body, if this is for background, your background color. And then it's going to give you an error, but you can just wait that off until you type something. So I think I just need to type in color. I'm not sure, though. Color, let's do aqua. Why not? And then, so after you type in color, just type in the 2 dots, so shift and the key to the right of L, and after you type in your color, just click the key to the right of the L key on your keyboard. And then, I hate everything about that, so that's not what I wanted, so I'm going to change that to background color. Nope, it needs to be background dash color. And then we have that as aqua. So if you just type in color, it's going to do what's inside of the body. There we go. So now it'll look like that. So, and what if you want like your header and your paragraph to be like styled? So type in H1. So with CSS, body, H1, paragraph, that's what you need to type. If it's H1, then down here, you need to type in H1 and then type in the curly bracket and then click enter inside of the curly bracket and it should look like this. Just anything you put down, like H1, paragraph, H6, H4, anything. Dot box, yeah, I'll get to that later. But, so now type in color, dot, dot. And then you don't need to put a space, you can if you want. And then what should the color be? Green. One-handed type in there. And then I also want like it to be in the center. Type in text dash align and then type in 2 dots and then type in wherever you want it, like right, left, center. I'm gonna type in center. And then do file, save all, and then same thing. Yeah, now that's in the middle. But you're like, oh no, my paragraph isn't. So you literally, if you want that to be green, just copy this code over. Oh no, I messed up. Copy this code over that we just did for H1. And then just change where it says H1 and change that to P, which stands for paragraph. And then there. Now that's in the middle. All right, what should I do next? What should I do next? Buttons. Yeah. So that's what we have so far. So if you don't want your like CSS to be on there, create a new file, type it index.css, I guess. You can name it literally anything you want. But here's the thing. If you name it whatever you want, just copy that code and then delete all of it. If you name it like whatever you want, make sure to type in, click enter on HTML, and then type in opening bracket, link, and then type in rel, and then equals, and then like the two, what are they called? The air quote thingies on your keyboard, like character is about to say something in the book, blah, 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 blah. And then type in style sheet. And then type in space after that, and type in href, and then do equals, or that's plus, equals, and then character about to say something, blah, blah, blah. And then type in your file, whatever you named your file. I named my index.css, whatever your CSS file is. And then that's linked. And then just go into the CSS thing, paste all that code in there that you did. File, save all, F5, and you'll see that it's still the same. Oh, messed up. But if we do index, you'll see when I reload the page that it's like the regular, because we linked the style sheet. We do the same with JavaScript, but instead of link, no, we do link. I don't know. No, we do script, yeah. But, oh no, I turned on autosave. Whatever. But yeah, now I'll do a button. So what you want to do after your paragraph, type in enter and type in A, and then href, again, equals, character is about to say something, and then make a new file. I'm going to call mine, let's do about.html. And then I'm going to do as my href about.html. And then type in closing bracket, and then it'll say that. So, excuse me. And then after that, you're going to want to go to the very end, click enter, and then type in button, opening bracket, button. Like that. And then type in, like, about. And then, if you click, I don't even need to save it because I accidentally turned on autosave. Now if we reset it, there's a button. Did I do a slash? Yes, I did. You sometimes have to save it. Autosave is weird. And then if you click, what did I mess up here? Oh, I see. So, it's really weird. You need to have, like, the A tag, the closing A tag, you have to move that to the end of where it says button. It's weird, I know, I didn't create it. I probably just have a bug. And then it will work. See, on about.html. And the title, see, I can't zoom in. So the title right here, it says test site, because right there, we named it test site. Okay, so on our about page, do doc type, and then HTML, and then type in HTML, body, and then H1, I'm not going to create a title for this, but H1. This is a test site created by Icer Robotics. Is that how I spell my logo? I don't know. Icer Robotics. One of them. So, and then if we reload it, click about. This is a test site created by Icer Robotics. Yep. All right. that's all I'm gonna do in this video. So thank you all for watching my coding tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.